Hey guys, today I am here to tell you about all of the accessories I have added to my 2022 Ford Bronco BaseQuatch. So one of the first things we added were the rough country NERF steps. They are super durable, very price friendly. Also had the windows tinted right away. We didn't like the fishbowl effect. This center console armrest cover is waterproof and offers anti-scratch protection to our center console. We purchased these rough country seat covers for added protection, and bonus, they are super comfortable. My lovely husband right off the bat ordered me my first actual exterior accessory, and that is the IAG mini bull bar. No droopy tailgates for us with this tailgate reinforcement bracket from Rough Country. And we got to give a shout out to Automotive Solutions in Belvidere. They have done just about all the work on my Bronco so far, and they painted the sky for me, and they added my vinyl stripes. They've also added all of my lighting and other accessories. We had the POWDERCOAT shop in Loves Park, Illinois powder coat our beauty rings on our Sasquatch tires. We found that it was more price effective to have them powder coated over ordering the Ford beauty rings in a different color. Here we have the XKG Bronco fifth wheel light with brake, running light, reverse, and turn signals. We have the ZROADZ white fog lights in the modular bumper. They are amazing, really light up the road at night for us. I saw this on another Bronco and I absolutely had to have it. It is the Auto Vent Shade Bronco AEROSKIN Light Shield in black. Up here we have the Tiny Monsters Concept Series 3-inch pod lights, and holding them in place we have the LOD Off-Road Double Black Ops pillar base mount for them. After getting the light shield installed, we had to complete the look of the front of the vehicle with the Bushwacker body armor. It really pulled it all together. And we ordered the Bushwacker rear body armor also. We had to hide the fact that we are a base model, so we invested in that Badlands grill, and with that we got the Oracle emblem lighting. Alrighty guys, that's all I have for today, but I look forward to seeing you next time.